Ken from Alliance with the S.U.I.T.E message. S.U.I.T.E, S-U-I.T.E, sustainable, unique, innovative, timely, economical. Today I want to talk about our very popular rotary index style machine. These machines are used for manufacturing work cells. They can be manually or robotically loaded and unloaded. They can do cleaning, rinsing, drying, load, unload from a single operator station. This machine is unique in that we have an interchangeable fixture for cleaning a variety of different types of parts within a part family. So we can wash the parts, rinse and dry. We have manifolds that we pressurize for cleaning and drying specific part features, passageways, blind holes, so on and so forth. So there's a lot of really cool features about this machine. What I want to do is I want to back up a little bit and take you back to the building of the machine. We're going to show you the machine split in half so you can see the internal workings. And I'm going to turn it over to one of our engineers, Ben, who's going to show you some of the great and really cool features of this type of machine.
Alright, so I'm here to talk about our latest rotary indexer machine. So on this project we're doing something a little bit special. So we have manifold units assembled directly to our table. They're split manifolds, so you're feeding two different positions at two different times. The manifolds are fed by these pneumatic cylinders. They come up and mate with the tapered fitting on the back side of the manifolds. Another nice feature with these manifolds is we integrated a quick fixture changeout. This customer is running many different parts with many different fixtures, so they can just slap these fixtures in. Have integrated waterway passages and airway passages. So these are used to feed from the manifold to the specific part of the component being washed that needs the additional cleaning. Another nice feature on this machine is our outrigger supports. Since the parts running on this machine are very heavy and it's a very large table, these provide excellent stiffness and precise locating of parts. We're locating each of these fixtures relative to the home position within a 32nd of an inch. That makes robotic loading and unloading much more feasible and easily done. The last feature on this machine would be the slew ring bearing. It's ultra high capacity, very precise, very smooth ride, so it helps us locate those fixtures repeatably and easily. Rotary indexer machines, fixture repeatability. So with our new rim-driven design on these machines, we're able to hold positional tolerances of a 32nd of an inch on our fixtures. Each fixture is repeatable to within a band of 5/1000ths of an inch. Every fixture is measured and validated before the machine ships. I'm Ben from Alliance. You guys have a nice day.
Thanks, Ben, for that great information. We love seeing the internal workings of these machines. One of the other things on the exterior part of the equipment is the actual accessibility. We give you access from all 4 points, all sides, big, wide open access doors for process adjustment and maintenance, which is another really cool feature of these machines. So if you have an application where you're looking to clean specific parts in a cell type environment and you want them to return to the operator, consider an Alliance AquaMaster IR series. We do a ton of these machines. They're very, very well tried and proven. Check us out today. Give us a call at 1-800-969-7960. Ken from Alliance, have a sweet day.